Most people think their order is stuck when the Walmart status stops updating. That is the biggest mistake you can make. Because in most cases, your order is not frozen at all. It is just delayed in the system update. Here's the truth no one tells you. The order status inside the Walmart system is not real-time in every stage. There are gaps between warehouse updates, carrier scans, and app syncing. In this video, you will learn exactly why your Walmart order status is not updating in 2026, and how to fix or interpret it correctly, so you do not panic unnecessarily. Let's start with the simplest explanation. When you place an order, it goes through multiple stages. First, Walmart confirms the order. Then the warehouse processes it. After that, a shipping carrier picks it up and updates tracking. Each step can have delays. Now here's where it gets interesting. The app does not always update instantly when the package moves. So your order may already be shipped even if the status still says preparing or processing. Let's go step by step. First, refresh your Walmart app or website. Sometimes the status is just stuck due to a syncing delay. Alex thought his order was frozen for 2 days. But a simple refresh showed it had already shipped. But here's the problem. If refreshing does not work, you need to check your internet connection or switch devices. A weak connection can stop updates from loading properly. Next, check your email and SMS notifications. Walmart often sends shipping updates there before the app reflects them. This is something most people completely ignore. Step 3 is checking the tracking number directly with the carrier. If your order is shipped via FedEx, UPS, or USEs, go to their tracking page. That data is usually more accurate than the Walmart app. Step 4 is understanding warehouse delays. During busy seasons or big sales, processing can take longer. That does not mean your order is stuck. It just means it has not been scanned yet. Now here is another important point. If your order status has not changed for more than 48 to 72 hours, then it is worth contacting support. But even then, most delays are normal processing issues. Jake once thought his order was lost, but it was just sitting in a shipping queue waiting for pickup. It updated suddenly after 2 days, without warning. Step 5 is checking for partial shipments. Sometimes Walmart splits orders into multiple packages. One item may ship earlier while the rest stays processing. So, to wrap it up, order status not updating is usually caused by system delay, carrier scanning gaps, or processing time, not actual problems with your order. If you follow these steps, you can quickly understand whether your order is truly delayed or just not updated yet. If this helped clear things up, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple Walmart order guides and troubleshooting tips. You will stay informed and avoid unnecessary stress next time your order seems stuck.